Neuropathy, also known as peripheral neuropathy, is a condition that involves damage to or dysfunction of the peripheral nerves, which are nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. These nerves play a crucial role in transmitting information between the central nervous system and the rest of the body, including sensations, movements, and autonomic functions. One of the most common causes of neuropathy is diabetes, where high blood sugar levels can damage nerves over time. Physical injury or trauma, such as accidents or falls, can lead to nerve damage. Certain infections, like shingles, Lyme disease, and HIV, can cause neuropathy. Conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus may contribute to nerve damage. Exposure to certain toxins or chemicals, including those from heavy metals or chemotherapy drugs, can cause neuropathy. Symptoms of neuropathy can vary depending on the type of nerves affected. Common symptoms include pain, tingling, numbness, and weakness in the affected areas. Today, we've got a list of 7 essential vitamins that may help in the repair and maintenance of your nerves. Just a quick reminder, the content provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Alright, let's kick things off with vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including bone health, immune system function, and nerve health. Vitamin D receptors are present in the nervous system, and the vitamin is involved in nerve function. Adequate vitamin D levels may support the health and function of nerves. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health conditions, including neuropathy. Vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties, and maintaining sufficient levels may help reduce inflammation and its impact on nerves. Vitamin D plays a role in modulating the immune system. Immune system dysregulation has been implicated in some neuropathies, and vitamin D may help regulate immune responses. Some studies suggest that vitamin D may play a role in promoting nerve regeneration, which is essential for individuals with neuropathy. Vitamin D deficiency has been associated with chronic pain conditions. Addressing vitamin D deficiency may contribute to better pain management in individuals with neuropathy. The most natural way to obtain vitamin D is through exposure to sunlight. When your skin is exposed to UVB rays from the sun, it produces vitamin D. Spending about 10 to 30 minutes in the sun, at least twice a week, can be sufficient for many people. While there are not many foods that naturally contain vitamin D, some good dietary sources include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in vitamin D. Cod liver oil, this is a potent source of vitamin D. Egg yolks, eggs, especially the yolks, contain some vitamin D. Next up, we have B vitamins. B vitamins are crucial for overall nerve health, and deficiencies in certain B vitamins have been linked to neuropathy. The B vitamins that are particularly relevant to nerve health include B1, thiamine, B6, pyridoxine, and B12, cobalamin. Thiamine is essential for nerve health and function. Deficiency in thiamine has been associated with a specific type of neuropathy known as beriberi. Thiamine supports the proper functioning of nerve cells and helps maintain the myelin sheath, which protects nerves. Vitamin B6 is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and norepinephrine, which play a role in nerve signaling. Adequate levels of B6 may help prevent neuropathy and contribute to overall nerve health. Vitamin B12 is crucial for the maintenance of myelin, the protective covering of nerves. Deficiency in B12 can lead to nerve damage and neuropathy. It's especially important for individuals with pernicious anemia, a condition where the body cannot absorb B12 adequately. Supplementing with B vitamins, either individually or as a B complex, may be recommended for individuals with neuropathy, especially if a deficiency is identified. In addition to supplements, obtaining B vitamins through a balanced diet is crucial for overall health. Good dietary sources of these B vitamins include whole grains, nuts, seeds, dairy products, meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and leafy green vegetables. Moving right along, we have coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. CoQ10 is a naturally occurring antioxidant found in cells throughout the body, and it plays a crucial role in the production of energy. CoQ10 acts as an antioxidant, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals. Oxidative stress is implicated in nerve damage, and antioxidants may protect nerves from this damage. CoQ10 is involved in the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is the primary energy source for cells. Adequate cellular energy is crucial for nerve function and repair. Some studies suggest that CoQ10 may have neuroprotective effects, helping to support and preserve nerve function. In a few small studies, CoQ10 supplementation has been associated with improvements in neuropathic symptoms, such as reduced pain and improved nerve conduction. CoQ10 may play a role in promoting nerve regeneration, which is crucial for individuals with neuropathy. Beef, pork, and chicken are good sources of CoQ10, especially organ meats like liver. Spinach, broccoli, and cauliflower contain varying amounts of CoQ10. Now, let's talk about magnesium. Magnesium is involved in the regulation of nerve function and transmission. It plays a role in the movement of ions across nerve cell membranes, influencing electrical impulses and signaling. Magnesium has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with certain neuropathic conditions, and magnesium may contribute to managing inflammation. Adequate magnesium levels may contribute to improved blood flow. Proper circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to nerve cells, supporting their health and function. Some studies suggest that magnesium supplementation may help with pain management, including neuropathic pain. Magnesium is thought to modulate pain signaling pathways and reduce sensitivity to pain. It's important to note that individual responses to magnesium supplementation can vary, and the optimal dosage may depend on factors such as age, health status, and the presence of other medical conditions. Additionally, magnesium-rich foods, such as leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, can contribute to overall magnesium intake. Fifth on our list is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are essential fats found in certain fish, algae, and plant sources. Omega-3 fatty acids may have neuroprotective effects, helping to shield nerve cells from damage. This is particularly relevant in neuropathies where nerve damage plays a role in the development and progression of symptoms. Omega-3 fatty acids may contribute to improved blood flow, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to nerve cells. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids may enhance nerve conduction, potentially improving the transmission of signals along nerve fibers. It's important to obtain omega-3 fatty acids through a balanced diet that includes fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and algae-based supplements. Alternatively, fish oil supplements are a common source of omega-3 fatty acids. Now, let's explore vitamin E. Vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties, which means it can help neutralize free radicals. Oxidative stress, caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, is implicated in nerve damage. Vitamin E's antioxidant effects may help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E is involved in maintaining the health of cell membranes, and nerve cells are particularly dependent on the integrity of their membranes for proper function. Adequate vitamin E levels may support overall nerve health. Vitamin E has been investigated for its potential role in promoting nerve regeneration. This is particularly relevant in neuropathies where nerve damage or loss is a contributing factor. A balanced diet that includes foods rich in vitamin E, such as nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils, is generally recommended to obtain nutrients through whole foods. Last but not least, we have acetyl L-carnitine, ALC. ALC is an amino acid derivative and a naturally occurring compound that plays a role in energy production. It has been studied for its potential benefits in various health conditions, including neuropathy. Carnitine has two functions. A part of carnitine transports long-chain fatty acids into mitochondria. They are burned there, or oxidized, to produce energy. Another part transports waste and toxic compounds out of the mitochondria, and this prevents unwanted substances from building up. Skeletal and cardiac muscles that use fatty acids as a dietary fuel have high concentrations of carnitine. A number of studies have explored the use of ALC for the management of neuropathic pain. Some research suggests that ALC may help reduce pain intensity in individuals with certain types of neuropathy. Foods that provide carnitine are mainly animal products, dairy, poultry, and meat. Red meat has one of the highest concentrations. Non-animal sources include whole wheat bread and asparagus.